Yo, this one means a lot, bro. 3-1. 3-1. And this one means so much, bro. Yo, I was so... Me shut off for the first 10 minutes of the second half because after that first half, I was so fucking upset, blood. So goddamn upset. Like, how is that a foul? How is that a foul? How could you disallow a goal for that? And earlier in the game, when a man nearly kick off Sean Lance's face, them not call that a foul. But that was a foul. Sang reaching for the man, push him off, and them call that a foul, blood. This shit is it's absolute bullshit, brother. Bull fucking. But 3-1. This one's sweet. This one is very, very much. And the reason, honestly, the reason why I like this one better than anything else is not just because of the revenge, but what it does to Tottenham. Right? Tottenham beat to 6-1 earlier this season. But what this does to Tottenham is effectively kick them out of the top 4 race. So because of that 6-1, we are now responsible for you fucking off out of Europe or out of Champions League for next season. And it's even sweeter now because of what happened in the first half. Because of our Sunday. Now, up until today, be the rate son, you know. And I probably still do as a ball and my rate son. But what happened today was total crap, bro. From son to the referee, disallowing that goal was fuckery. Disallowing that goal was... Yo, it hurt me. It hurt me. I'm happy the man them come back and get the thing. The first goal come from someone who I never thought, bro. Fred I do a pop-up right, so it was good interplay in between the two. But jeez. 3-1. Yes, it's exactly what we wanted. Now it's on to the next game. Now the lead by just 11 points. Another win because we have one more game in hand. The lead by 8, and then I'm going to start feel with breath in them neck back. Coming for you. Don't fuck this up, Man City, because they're right there so behind you. Don't fuck this up. Good win. Awesome fucking win, man. Not lie. Oh my god. I want to touch on one thing. You guys see that we have a different side, that kind of dimension. Now, I rate David De Gea. I'm not gonna lie. And Henderson made some good saves today, but aside from his saves and him being, you know, comfortably in the ear, what I am seeing from Henderson right now that we're not getting from David De Gea is Henderson is comfortable at the top of his box, coming out and getting the ball and being a part of the build-up play. He's comfortable with that. And that's what we don't have from David De Gea. And majority of the time when David De Gea clearing the ball, he might clear the ball off of the half, off of the goal line. David De Gea is not that comfortable at the edge of his box. And Henderson has no problems coming at the end of the box, playing the ball to Maguire or playing it to Lindelof. And that gives us a little bit more dimension because now the press has to figure out where they want to. If they want to go to Maguire, go to Lindelof or go to Henderson to press the ball. And that is very, very good in terms of giving us dimensions in playing out at the back. So I think that Henderson gives us that little slight advantage when it comes to playing out at the back and creating more. But my word, man, my word. What a game, what a blood league game. This is why we support this club. Glory, glory. Big up yourself. Manchester United all the way. Come on, United.